ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இப்போ நம்ம எங்கே இருக்கோம்னா மடிவாலா லேக்கில் இருக்கோம்.
In Bangalore, almost no one knows this place exists inside the Bangalore city. That is called Madiwala Lake. If you see that Madiwala Lake, it was a big acres and acres, around 300 acres, the surrounding area of the Madiwala Lake. You can see the Madiwala Lake. This end starts with that end to this end. It's very big. You can also see that place inside that center one tree is island, small island. Okay, near to the island, the full of birds, ducks, and so many species birds and all living in this place. This lake is one of the biggest lake in Bangalore, India, spread over area of 114.3 hectare. Legend has it to take lake was built by the Cholas in a day. The water in the lake was fit for drinking till the early 1990s. Since then it has become unfit for drinking due to industrial waste and sewage entering to the water body. It has gradually become polluted. You can see the birds now on the small islands in center of the lake or living in with the families and then crossing that lakes full of white color. That birds is living nest and everything on that inside the center of the lake. And then if you during the boat, if you have the boat facility today it's not available. If you have the boat facility and pedaling the boat, we can go and see the small island nearby. It's really beautiful while going and seeing the place nearby. This Madiwala Lake is situated in the BTM layout northeast in Bangalore city. It is a home of many migratory birds. The lake comes under the administration of Karnataka State Forest Department, which carries out of the routine maintenance of this lake. There is a children park as well. The lake received a rupees 25 crore grant in 2016 from the Lake Development Authority of Bangalore. So many people are during the morning and then evening they are going jogging, walking in this place, and then some children are playing nearby. This is a interlocking bricks. This place full of inside the trees and then surrounding that interlocking bricks they put it to walk easily, because during the rainy season this place became very wet. We can't go walking and jogging in this place, so only they made this interlocking stones. Then the water will not get drained, it won't be stay there, and then we can easily go walking and jogging on the place. Sometimes we can play shuttlecock also in this place. It's a very nice place during the rainy time. This Madiwala Lake sees a huge number of spot-billed pelican migration in the winter, November to December. These spot-billed pelicans live in groups. Their main food is fish. Pelicans take a small flight across the lake for fishing. These migratory birds can also be sighted in Sri Lanka. These migrated birds also be in Sri Lanka. They provide a great sight while landing. Typically, the wingspans for about 8.5 feet. Egrets can also be sighted along with these birds. This is the main entrance. While coming in the main entrance, you have two paths. One is left and then right. While taking a left, then only you can able to reach the children's play area and then the lake seeing, and then boating and everything. On the right hand side is a small place you can go for the walking, and the interlocking stones I showed, no, that place we can go. But maximum major so many places to see only on the left hand side, not on the right hand side. Right hand side the place was closed nearby. While walking the left hand side, you can see the birds sound and then everything. It is very beautiful and very pleasant. In the left hand side, it's full of trees. Okay, they're recently planted. Okay, around two small trees also there. See this small tree they made recently planted around on 2-3 months before. That plants and all, it's almost 3 years old plant, so old trees, now it became trees. It looks very beautiful. And then see lake side, no, and that lake side there are the trees they planted. I think this is a dates tree. Once it's grown, it will give you a fruit, dates. See that rest chairs also there. We can easily see that sea while sitting here and restfully, peacefully. We can see that lake and then birds, and then pelican also we can see it's catching the fish. No, that and all we can watch from here. Okay, during if you have a good mobile, and then if you have good phone with the slow motion mode, if you have enough time, you can easily take a slow motion picture of pelican catching the fish. But no, we need a good patience for that. If you have the patience, definitely you will get that fruit of the picture. While crossing around 50-60 meters from the main gate, you will get a children's play area on the left hand side. Inside the place, okay, you can see the biggest children's play area here. The children's mostly around 20-30 children are playing over here with the parents for the safer. It's a very safer place. Children's, families, ladies, gents, and everyone was almost occupied in all the places. Don't be scared. All of the trees. Is it a safer place? We can come with the childrens or come with your family. It's a very safer place. Almost security guards and almost everybody there here. Okay, it's very safer place. You can come peacefully, go restfully. Let's move further. While walking on that side nearby that children's play area, you will see that 10 number of plants, trees, and then full greeneries on that everywhere. Up to you can see your sight is seeing, no, everywhere it will be a green. Okay, the plants, trees, it's very fantastic and beautiful places. Okay, everywhere that nest kind of thing they made it. Why? Because sometimes we can do the yoga, meditation and all here. No, if it is a full rain, because of this only it is full wet now. During the summer season, will be very dry. We can conduct yoga classes and all here. Okay, you need to get permission, some small permission. If it is free, no one booked, you can aram say come and then conduct your yoga, some trainings to your places. Okay, that is if sometimes no children's nearby children's play area. They made it. Why? Because if suddenly rain comes, all the childrens come fast, and then they can stay on that. Around 100 people can aram say stand on the place, okay, without any difficulties. Do that safer for the rain. It is very big because all the places are very open sky, and then we have to stand. We have to stand for the rain. That will be a place. See, this is a boat they made. Okay, here they mentioned as plants. Water birds here. What are the water birds? Are here in Madiwala Lake. That was they mentioned it. After moving the place, okay, we can see the boats are standing on that lake. Okay, boats are standing. That is a place. It's taken care by Bangalore Forest Department. Okay, there is a boat forest department having a ticket counter over there. The ticket counter for the boat safari. Apart from boating, you can run, roaming, do jogging, play some games like carry, badminton, or just sit and enjoy the birds. Distance place for morning walking and or evening sunset time spending. It is a art of the city, such as nice park over there. This is a nursery the forest department made. Some nursery like Lal Park. That nursery was there. Now we can buy a plants and trees whatever we want. We can choose and buy now. Like that they made in this park they made some nursery. But nursery, it's not running now. It's not open. Just they made it. The future they're planning to sell these plants. This lake is good for really a nature lovers like me, and then photographers. They can easily take a good shots like the birds and then the lake, and then it will be a very beautiful. And then if you're taking a slow motion, if birds flying and then time lapse, it's a very good place for the photographers. During this place, this kind of birds, it in the center of the city. It's the biggest lake, so that's what the so many migrated birds are there living here. You can take easily. This is a place I told you, the boats. Okay, boats ticket counter. See, opposite of the place there are so many places we can sit. See, this is the ticket counter for the boat safari. See, I will show you the Madiwala. See, Karnataka Forest Department Madiwala Lake Boating Center. It's a boating fee. Okay, per head rupees 50. Per head rupees 50. One adult, it's a 50 rupees per head. If you're coming with a pair, okay, you need to pay for 100 rupees from your packet. For this is a big boat. Sometimes it's also maybe 50 rupees, but we no need to drive. For the drivers we separate. They will drive. We have to grow the group. We can go with this and then we can come. And then the forest department, you know the forest department color, and then sky blue and then green. The two colors only they will be in all the forest department. Indian forest department, it will be like that, sky blue and then bottom green. They made a fencing inside. I think some precious plants and all they are growing it for some reason. That's what no one should enter with this. No, that's what they made a fencing and then they closed it. If you're trying walking, keep on walking, it will go up to the end and then you can come up to the end. It's around 110 acres. We can roam everywhere without any restrictions. It's a very good place. Everywhere people are keep on walking, doing a jogging and then coming, and then they enjoying the evening sunset, and then very pleasant place. Actually today it was got rained. That's what that crowd is less. If it is snow and then pleasant day, definitely the crowd will be more. Then the walking and jogging will be more, because during the winter and the rainy season, the walking with this place, it is full wet. No, it will be not the perfect place in the winter season. Currently no entry fee for this. This Madiwala Lake, previously entry fee will be 5 for adult, 2 for children, play area and everything. Previously, now currently there is no entry fee, it's everything free. All days of the week the boating will be available. Current situation, because of the during the rain it is not available. 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. it's our opening time. Up to 7 o'clock you can roam here. After 7 o'clock the security guards will come and then ask them to leave from the place, because after that night time no, the lightings will be very less in this place. Okay, we can't. The dog here it's sleeping peacefully, and then all are taking a photos and then enjoying the sunset. See, there is a small fence, it's very nearby to that lake. Okay, the fencing is for to the children should not get fall down, right? For that only they made a fencing. It's very close to the water. We can see the sunset peacefully from this end. This side in the morning, this is the east side. What we for facing is east side. If you come in the morning, definitely you can able to take a good picture of the sunrise, not at the sunset. Sunset it will come on the west side. No, this is a facing the east side. Morning is a good time for to see the sunrise. It's keep on going while walking and then if you keep on going up to the end, I think so it's going on. Okay, we can go up to the end. I don't have enough time to. If you want the slow motion of the birds flying and then the time lapse of morning sunset, if you want the video, please mention on the comments. I will do it for you in another few days. If I want to explore some other places in Bangalore, please let me know in comments. I will do it for you.
ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வீடியோ பார்த்தீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். எப்படி இருக்குது பாருங்கள் வீடியோ. இது ஃபுல் எல்லாமே ஈவினிங் ஆகிடுச்சு. இப்போ கரெக்டாக டைம் வந்து 6:45 ரொம்ப இருட்டுச்சு. நான் டைம் லேப்ஸ் எடுத்திருக்கேன். ஒரு 45 மினிட்ஸ் டைம் லேப்ஸ் எடுத்திருக்கேன். ஒரு 3.5 மினிட்ஸ் வந்திருக்கு டைம் லேப்ஸு. எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பாருங்கள். உங்களுக்கு இந்த பிளேஸ் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். அந்த பிளேஸோடைய லிங்க்கை வந்து டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் நான் போடுறேன். கண்டிப்பாக போயிட்டு பாருங்கள். அது வரலும் see you on another video. Bye bye, take care.